How to edit or update roadmap information in Waze. Let's get started. Open the Waze app. In the main screen, you will see orange Waze icon with plus. Tap on it. That's your report section. Scroll down and select map issue. Here tap map issue. You will see option to update road informations. Tap the relevant option. You can add comment or you can use voice command and fill in the detail of issue. Once everything look good, tap send. Waze Map Editor will review your submission and approve it if everything is correct. And that's it. You have helped keep the Waze map accurate and safe for everyone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.